Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Ateeb and today I will show you how to make lip gloss paper squishy. Okay, so making lip gloss squishy, then things you needed. A piece of paper, pencil, black pointer and eraser, some colors and a ruler, some poly bags. Let's start now. Actually, I'm making a lip gloss squishy. Let me show you a sample. Make this squishy and this squishy. It is even not squishy, but I will try to make another, but not same, not exact, just a little bit. I will put a different. Now we will put it back. Now first we will make some lines. First make here a little bit of, leave a gap for coloring, and then draw a line like this. Now we will make the cap and the bottom with this paper. For now, we need to, if you need to outline, you can outline it. I will outline too because it can be neat then if we outline it. Now let's outline it. Done. Now we will take our eraser and erase this so it can be more neat like this. Now we will take our colors. I'm using pencil colors. I will use this can for now. This is a peach, or you can say skin color that we have. Now color it. Hold this box, not this space, only this. Like this, guys. Okay guys, this is skin color. It is not yellow, you can see. Okay guys, like this. If you need to cover with tape, you can do this. In this lip gloss, it is looking nice because I don't tape this thing, because when we tape it, so it can't fold. It is very hard to fold it. That's why I will not cover it with that. I will not laminate it with tape. And please don't take the color out from this line. If you have to mistake, you can. It's a mistake. That's okay, but do not take out from this line. Okay, guys. Now we need to cut from this line like this, guys. Now we will put it back here. Okay guys, let me show you my Stanley. This is my Stanley. Actually it's mine, not my sister's, because this is my birthday gift. My aunt gave it to me. It's very beautiful. I love them. And biggest shout out to my best friends who subscribe to my channel, and my aunt too, because she do it this time and subscribe for us. Anyways, back to our work. Now we need to fold this thing. Okay guys, this is our pages like this. Don't mind it. Please ignore this thing. Now we need to fold it. Fold it. Like this. Now if we need to make like this, then if you need, wait a second, if you need to make like this, so do the same process, but need to do the flat from the bottom, so you can do this. Now let me fold it and let me show you first, and then I will show you. Okay guys, it is like this. Now you can see this is opened. If you want to make like this, then flap this side, then you can make this. If you don't like to make this, then follow these steps I am making. Now tape this with this tape. Okay guys, this is now it's very looking nice. Now for making the bottom circle, we need to take our this, and I have two tricks to do that. First is you can measure it, or second is make any type you like, or if you can make a circle, then cut and then paste. I will choose the first one because this is very easy. First I will measure one circle like this. Now we need to point it out. Okay guys, I've done pointing out, and please remember to not make like it like I've made this small circle. For example, I made this small circle, and then when I pointed out, it has been very big. So don't do that. Please point the exact circle like me. If you don't, it can be mess. So this is like this. Now like I do the skin color here, so I will do the skin color in the circle too, like this guys. Okay guys, before doing coloring, please erase it. If you have to like forget it, that's okay. Just color it out if you forget it. Okay guys, now we need to cut the exact thing. I mean the exact circle. This. Now wait a second. Now put tape. Let me show you how to do. First take the piece of tape, this, then cut a little piece like this and paste it on the circle. Now gently pull it out, and that's the magic. Now it is like this. Then let me show you what to do. Okay guys, this is the thing. Now just you can see this is the tape. Now put it like this, and where is the tape coming out? First put the exact, and then use the tape for our log to go with it. Now cover it out. Use your pencil's backside to check it's not working or not. If the side is not sticking out, but anyways we can do it. Put the little piece of the tape so it can be sticker. It can be like this. The bottom is ready. Now we have done this part. Wait a second. I forget to tape this. Let me tape it out. Then this is very easy. Just you need to cut it out where it is opened. Then put the tape, and then check it with your pencil's back. This back. Now it's done. Now put it back. Your paper. Ignore it. Anyways, now you need your paper. Draw a square here. Like this. Now color it the exact color. If you need to think the cap needs to be for other color, you can make any color you like. I'm making skins this peach color. If you can make any color. Now I'm using again the peach color to color it like this. Now cut the square out like this. Okay guys, I've done the cutout. Wait a second. Okay guys, now again we need to fold it like this, but please put a little bit loose like this. Now cut this thing out. We will not use it. Let me cut it out. And yes, I will just let me just cut it out first. Okay guys, done. Now we need to tape it. Let me show you how. Okay guys. Oh no, sorry. Phil. Okay, don't worry. I'm okay, and the phone is okay too. So we just need to put like this. My mom is saying something. Anyways, cut a little piece. Sorry, I'm using my teeth. Anyways, this is, I think, everyone used to be like this. Now it's like this. Now we need to tape it up. Then cut the excess tape, and the cap is ready. But it is too longer to put it up, and it is too loose, and this is very correct. Then just cut like this. That's it. It is very nice. Now for the making the top of it, I'm using before we do for this the same step, I will do it again. Let me show you again how to do. Guys, I will tell you, we have two options. First option is you can put it like this and trace the circle, and you can make it. Or second option is cut any piece of circle, color it. If it don't work, then make other. I will prefer you to make my first option, put it out, then cut the circle, outline it, and then color it. It will be very easy. Now we will make the circle like this. Now outline the exact circle. Now erase it like this. Now color it skin color again. Where's my skin color? Like this. Now we just need to cut out the exact thing. Okay guys, done. Now for making, wait a second. Guys, we need our tape and cut a little piece of it. Let me cut it out. Now we need to put this piece of tape on the circle. This. Now gently peel it off from your table like this. Okay guys, now not this. We need to choose one, this, and then paste it up. It's very easy. Like this. Like this. Okay. These sides are not done, so for this I will cut out my tape. Wait a second. like this. Now the cap is ready. For making the inside now, we need a foil bag. Cut this in one piece. Now put this in it like this. Now we need our paper. Not to color it, just make a square again. And cut it out. I make a mistake, so I will not cut it. Just you cut it out, please. Like this. Now take this corner like this. Wait a second. I'm using this for and this direction to fold it. Wait a second. Let me do it again. This. Now I'm using my big taper. You can use small too. Now take a little bit of piece to tape it up. Let me cut it. Then put it properly like this. Now we will use to like this and then this. It's ready. Now cut a little piece from it like this. Now guys, you need to color the bottom red or light pink. Where are you going? The bottom light pink. Let me do it and then I will show you like this. Now I will use another little bit of piece. Let me cut it out. This and wait a second. We will use this. Sorry, this. Let me show you what to do. This is not very tough. It's very easy. For doing that, you need this. And let me cut this piece. We will paste it like this on here and cut a little from here and go this inside here and then paste it up. That's it. And it is a little bit weird, but it's very nice. Let me do coloring darker that everyone can see. Now it's ready. Just now you need the bottom of our lip gloss. Put it here and now I will write here something. What should I write? I will write Sunday time, or I can write sunny day. Today I will write sunny day on my lip gloss with the black pointer. Sunny, or I will write summer day. Yes, it will be very summery. Summer day and a little heart. Okay guys, done. Now my lip gloss is broken. Anyways, we will quick paste it again. And yes guys, our summer day lip gloss is ready. Let me show you. Anyways, it's a squishy. And then put it back. Okay guys, that's for it. Please like and subscribe to our channel and comment down what next tutorial I will can be. And thanks for watching. Bye.